my channel. So today we are in my bathroom about to do another hair video. So today I'm going to be using some Uncle Funky's products. We have here some Curl Magic Curl Stimulator. We have the Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner, and last but not least, a hair mask. And I'm going to be doing all of this on my own. If you guys have been on my channel before or you saw my video on how I make my own hair products, you know that since I cut my hair, I've been trying to do more of my hair on my own. Because I'm about at the age where you kind of have to do things on your own, but it's a little bit harder when you have like natural curly hair. So hopefully I can help you guys out in showing you how I figure out how to do these things on my own so that you guys can do it too. I made a list here so that I don't forget what I have to do, like washing, conditioning, mask, tangle, rinse, and it's all in this little sheet of notebook paper. It may or may not have had some sentence diagramming on the back of it before, but we're not going to talk about that. It's fine this week, so don't judge. But anyway, I think the thing that I'm most proud of about this list is the fact that I centered transformation, because I think the hardest thing about writing things that you're trying to make look good is centering the words, because like you have to guesstimate how long the word is going to be, where you're going to start it. But anyway, I'm proud of that. And the reason why I have transformation at the bottom of this list is because, like in all the hair videos, before they end it, they show themselves like turning around. They have their hoops on, their lashes, their brown lipstick, and like a whole different outfit to show how useful their hair is in real life, as if we couldn't tell that before. But anyway, make sure you guys stick around to the end so that you don't miss that. So right now I have on my head wrap that I sleep in. I have my disposable t-shirt, not that I'm actually gonna throw it away, but I use it because I don't mind getting like water on it if I'm gonna be getting in and out of the shower or getting any hair products on it. I think it already has like a Sharpie mark or something on it, but I'm not gonna wear this anywhere, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna take off my bandana so I can start washing my hair. And as you can see, it looks crazy. I did a washing like a week ago and it looks awful. So I have to redo this. And before I disgrace your sleeves any longer with my dusty hair, I'm gonna get in the shower. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. And I put on my same throwaway shirt because it's clean. I didn't wear it before this. But I have washed my hair now, and you might be wondering, why does it look so dry? Well, I haven't dried it at all since I got out the shower. It's only been like 5 minutes since I got out the shower, but it already looks like I never did anything. So that's low porosity hair for you. But one of the main reasons why my dermatologist recommended using Uncle Funky's is because it's good for low porosity hair. So now it's time for me to put the mask on my soaking wet hair, which is not. So I'm going to use a spray bottle and spritz this and then put the mask on. And I'm also going to detangle it while I'm doing the mask, because for the next product it has to be soaking wet and detangled, and it's going to be soaking wet after I rinse out the mask. So here I have my spray bottle and the mask, and I also have my list. This is my list. I've done wash and condition. Now I need to put on a mask, which I'm going to spray my hair for to make up for its non-soaked wetness. Yeah, I think that's about as good as it's going to get. I am back and I have the entire hair mask on, so now it is time to detangle it. So far on my list, I have done wash and condition and put on a mask. I have my special fancy comb here that I'm going to detangle this. And then I'm going to get back in the shower and wash it all out. Alright, so I'm back. I combed my entire thing. I'm not going to touch it too much. And it's all over my towel. Hopefully it washes off. Now the entire hair mask is in here. I think I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, then I'll get back in the shower and wash it off. It smells like church lady hair. Like, it smells like, I don't want to say my grandma's hair, because it doesn't smell exactly like my grandma's hair. It smells like when you go to church and you can tell everyone just took a shower. It smells like that, which I don't mind. It's kind of a nostalgic smell, but I'm gonna be washing that anyway, so it doesn't really matter. In real life, this actually looks kind of weird. Like, it looks crazy, so I'm gonna go show my mom. And then I'll be back, and I will wash it off, and then I will put on the other stuff. Alright guys, so I have now sat under the dryer with my detangled head and my trusty dollar store shower cap, and now it is time to wash this out. I think I had it in here for a little bit too long because they said 5 minutes without a shower cap and 30 minutes under a dryer, and I probably had it in for like 45 minutes because I combed it with it in. They never said anything about detangling with it in, but I'm pretty sure that's not what it's for, so I'm already not really following directions, but hopefully this will turn out right. But anyway, I'm gonna go wash this out because it's probably long past due. When I opened it up, it was steaming. That's weird. Grandma's. Oh, my hair is so soft. Wow. That's nice. Okay. I'm actually looking forward to getting back in the shower for the second time today. I might even shower again. Well, this is nice. Now I have this stuff on my hands again. Yay! For real this time, gonna go take a shower. So my mom did a little section of it just to show me how to shingle it, and I just wanted to point out, like, look at the difference between the hair here and the hair here. Like, here the curls are really itty bitty tiny. But here, they're like kind of wavy and they are kind of boxy. It's really weird. And they're right next to each other. Like these tiny things versus these. It's so weird. But I'm gonna try to do the rest of it by myself now. My hair is completely done. I am honestly really proud of this because I don't think I've ever really done my whole head start to finish. I think I might have twisted it once or twice, but that was when it was like longer and it was longer in the front. But in this, this length of hair that I have here, I haven't done like a full shingle through hairstyle or anything. And I'm quite proud of this. I really like the Uncle Funky stuff. It's not really heavy, so it doesn't make them like really defined. Like it's not like hairstyling gel, but it is nice, and my hair is moving, which is like my favorite thing. Like if a product is able to make my hair move, then I automatically love it, and it defines some of them really well. And you can obviously see now that's like looking at the top that the curls here are much bigger, and on the sides they're like really itty bitty. But it doesn't look too bad with the difference in textures. I don't really mind it because, you know, it's my head. But I really like it. So if you want to get any of the products I use, I'll put a link down in the description. For this ending part, I use the Curl Magic Curl Stimulator for kinky, curly, and wavy textures. And then I also use at some points this Midnight Train leave-in conditioner detangling spray. And I like this mostly because it smells like those strawberry cough drops that are usually in somebody's office. Like, you know those little, like they're in the little wrapper and they like look like strawberries on the outside, it's like a cough drop. I love those, and this is exactly what this smells like. It was so nostalgic. But I used some of this, and I think this worked pretty well too, so I would definitely recommend all of these, and it works well with my low porosity hair, and I have lots of different textures, and it was fine with all of them. So I would definitely recommend these products. And unfortunately, I did not get to watch as much trash TV as I wanted to, because since I've never shingled my hair all the way through, I actually had to pay attention so that I would be doing it right and not wasting products, because they are pretty expensive. Before we go, as promised, I have to do my dramatic transformation. So I'll be right back. So here I am in my transformed state. I have my hoop earrings on, I have some lip gloss on, I have my Adidas jacket on, mostly because I had to wear something that didn't have to go over my head because it's still kind of wet. And then I have the glasses. Face. Remember Destiny from the beginning of this video? Gone. Here I am now, and I did it myself, which is the best part. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to get the products that I use, I'll put links down in the description. And I hope I inspired you to try and do your own hair. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!